Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. And if you've been here, thank you for sticking with me. So today we're going to be talking about the new Pinch Me box that I received. I'm going to link it down below so you guys can check it out. You get a lot of great free things. Maybe something you like, maybe something you don't. You can share it with someone else. I know you love me. I know you care. Just having fun, y'all. Well, here's the Pinch Me box. This is the company. Cover this up because I don't want y'all seeing my breasts. And here, if you can see that, you can scan that. And you can check it out. So be sure to screenshot that. I just got an email this morning. So there's just a few little things that they sent me. Okay, so we got there's another QR code that you can scan. They give you great deals. This is the new look and the new feel. I've been with the company for about 3 to 4 years, probably longer than that. But here's what I received. Looks pretty cool. It's a little speaker, a little wireless speaker. They come in different colors, but I can't wait to see what color I have in here. And they sent me another 17 free meals from HelloFresh. I may just do a giveaway because I don't really order stuff like this. I love to cook at home. So y'all comment down below and let me know if you guys want me to do a giveaway on this. I'll give it to someone. And I also received I've been wanting to say this, Colombia coffee from Starbucks. Can you guys see this? Can't wait to try it. Hopefully I'll try it while online. This is why I got my little Halloween cup. By the way, I'm a bargain shopper. I found these little cups for like $1.69 at Nunu's grocery store. I think that's where I got it from. But let's get into it. Ooh, it's nice. I thought it would have been colorful, but it comes with the little charging cord. And here it is. It's a little dusty, but it's pretty cool. You can hang it on your little belt or wherever you want to put it. Carry it in your hand. I prefer to hang it on something so I don't have to be holding that. But here it has the power button here. And there you have it. It turned on and the little blue light comes on. Pretty cool. You got the fast forward in the back, and also got the play, pause, and the phone button. So I'm guessing you could connect this to your phone. I would definitely try this out, but I have to wait till my kids get back from school so I can use one of their phones. Can't do it with mine because people always tend to be calling when you're busy, but when you're not busy, nobody calls. Go figure. Let's see if we can get this to work. Let's see if I can connect some music from my phone to it. See if that works. And it's Bluetooth. It's wireless. You can connect it to whatever you want to listen to some music while at the gym or just while cleaning up around the house. This is perfect for that busy mom that's always on the go. You want to keep yourself occupied with some music. I'm going to take this with me to the gym today. Put it down this way. I don't want to mess it up. Let me try connecting it to my phone and I'll be right back. Well, guys, sorry. I tried to connect it to my phone, but I'm guessing it's not compatible with my phone. Yes, I have an Android. Android all my life. I'm not spending unnecessary money on no iPhone just to be up with the, with the times. With the Joneses, like people say. But the product specifications is Bluetooth. Working distance is up to 10 meters. Voltage DC 5 volts. Battery charge time 2 to 3 hours. Loudspeaker. Don't know what that is. The ratio 95 dB. Frequency response 280 hertz to 16 kHz. The dimension It has 82 by 112. The net weight is only 190 grams. So guys, this is perfect. It's very lightweight. So like I said, I'm going to be, I wish I could have linked it, connected it with my phone, but go figure. I couldn't get it to work, but it would have been better for them to send some instructions, But don't forget, guys, it is free. I'm going to figure it out, and I'll come back on and show you guys how it works, But these are the other colors that they have. It looks like a lighter blue, green, orange, and a red. They're all pretty cute. Yep. Nice little box. It shows that you can connect it to music. It has the mode key, last song, turn down, volume up. It says when pressed too long. They even got it wrong on the box, but okay. Charging mouth, the phone calls, pause, play, and you can go to your next song. I mean, it's just like any other little Bluetooth device. But like I said, it's pretty cool. It's free. I'll link it down below so you guys can check it out. And you can also check out I tried to link it on here, but I'm assuming that you have to get up to 1,000 subscribers in order to be able to link whatever website you want to it. I also have a clothing store. I have a blog, and I would love to share with you guys, but y'all help me get to that 1,000 subscribers, and I'll do giveaways. I know everyone loves freebies. Who doesn't love a giveaway? Maybe I can give this one away because I know I probably won't be using it. I have a bunch of other little things, little gadgets. And there you go. Powered off. So I'm gonna pause for a second and come back. Well, another plus, it came fully charged. That's a plus. But there's a lot of other things on pinchme.com. You can try out pizza ovens. There's foods, different kind of snacks, things you name it, is there. So I'm waiting on the Xbox. Also, they gave me an invitation to receive the PlayStation 5. Guys, I don't know nothing about that, but hey, it's free. It's for me. I know I ain't alone. My kids already have Xboxes, but that PlayStation 5 gonna be mine. We're gonna be in here fussing and fighting over it, but hey, we're gonna just have more family time. Okay, guys, I've heated up my water for you guys. I was gonna do it in my little Halloween cup, but I'm gonna set that aside. I want you guys to see. So here's the hot water. I don't want to put too much. About 8 ounces. Roughly 6 to 8 ounces, depending on how much coffee you want and how strong you want it. So once again, it's the Starbucks Colombia coffee. It sounds better when my girl said on Family, I forgot the name of that show, but I love that little, y'all probably know who I'm talking about. I love the way she talks. But here it is, guys. But now for the big reveal. You gotta see what it tastes like. So while I'm waiting until it all dissolves, how you guys doing today? And what do you have planned this fall? Are any of you guys going trick-or-treating? If not, if you're not into that, let it fly. No need for the negativity. To each their own. Everybody has their own opinions. And I'm not dismissing your opinions because you do matter. But I don't want to hear the negativity. I really don't. I'm on my positive journey and I want to continue. It's pretty strong. Ooh. I hope I'm not wasting my stuff. Oof. Gotta make it sweet, y'all. It's my favorite. I have this, and also, let me grab this. I have different flavors. I got the pumpkin spice. I had a hard time finding it. Yep, and I got vanilla. Sorry, guys, I should have had all that ready. Here it is. Okay, guys, so I'm back. We're going to be trying the Colombia coffee from Starbucks. It's the little instant pack that was sent to me from pinchme.com. I've been a member with that company for about 3 to 4 years, roughly. I love all the products that they send me, and you can check my other videos for a better reference. I will link it down below, and that way you guys could try it out for yourself. So I poured some of this, the vanilla caramel creamer inside, and I just have these up here just to reference what you can use if that's what you want, French vanilla, but I did use a splash of pumpkin spice in my caramel as well. I love this brand. I tried it for the first time and fell in love with it. So let's get into this. I put a little ice in it because it was a little hot. So I guess you can say I made a cold coffee. Yeah, I was going to use my little Halloween cup that I got from the store, but I wanted you guys to see my my pretty, beautiful design. But I didn't do it on camera, so you get the idea. So let's try it. Let's get into it. It's good, guys. Y'all might want to stop into the store and go get y'all some if y'all don't want to wait on Pinch Me, because it does take, like, I'm gonna say roughly 2 to 4 weeks for your free boxes to come in. But hey, it's worth it. If it's free, it's for me. So free indeed. Thank you guys for stopping in and watching. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know if you love this and what is your favorite fall activities and what kind of coffee drinks you prefer, cold or hot. Thank you guys for watching once again. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye for now.